I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking the coverage map on Telstra can help you understand where you can expect good service. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open your browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your device. This can be on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Step 2. Go to Telstra's website. In the address bar, type in the URL for Telstra's official website. Look for the coverage map section, usually found in the support or network areas. Step 3. Find the coverage map. Once on the website, navigate to the coverage map section. This may be listed under network or coverage in the main menu. Step 4. Enter your location. Input your address or location in the search bar provided on the coverage map page. This will allow you to see the coverage specific to your area. Step 5. Analyze the map. Review the coverage map that appears. Look for different colors indicating coverage quality, such as 4G or 5G. Be aware that some areas may show limited service, which could affect your experience. If you find that your area has limited coverage, consider checking nearby locations or contacting Telstra for more information. Happy browsing!